Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Roshmi from Kolkata. From the thumbnail you can easily understand that today's episode is based on kurti. I will show you many more kurtis. All the sizes are available. Let me show you. Kurti number 1. Kurti number 1, the color is pink. See, these all are hand work, Parsi hand work with French knot. Material is rayon cotton. This is rayon cotton. See, this is the kurti number 1. This is a 40 size, but it is available in 42 as well as 44. All the kurtis are available in 40, 42 and 44. This is kurti number 1. Price is 850. Price 850. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the kurti number along with your size. This kurti is available in 40, 42 and 44 size. Kurti number 1. Kurti number 2, this is pure cotton material. Another kurti with the work. See, these all are hand work. These all are hand work. Kurti number 2, color is deep peach color and the price is 850. Price is 850. See, this is the sleeves, 3/4 sleeves. All the kurtis are available in 40, 42 and 44 size. 40, 42 and 44 is the chest size. Material is pure cotton kurti. Price 850. Kurti number 3, another rayon cotton. See, another rayon cotton. Price is 800. This is also hand Parsi work. This is also hand Parsi work. This kurti is also available in 40, 42 and 44. Price is 800. This is rayon cotton. Material is rayon cotton. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. Kurti number 3, price is 800. Kurti number 4. This is orange color. Another pure cotton material with this hand stitch. These all are French knot. See, these all are French knot. Just have a close look. The color is orange, very sweet orange. It is not dark one. And this kurti is also available in 40, 42 and 44 size. The price of this kurti is 800. Price is 800. Kurti number 4. For booking, please take a screenshot. My booking number is 9330866384. Kurti number 4. This is also pure cotton material. Kurti number 5. Another cotton material, denim blue color, striped material, denim blue color, pure cotton one. But these are hand stitch. These are hand stitch, hand embroidery. Price is 800. Kurti number 5, 800. Here is the sleeves. This kurti is also available in 40, 42 and 44 size. 40, 42 and 44 is the chest size. This is denim blue color, kurti number 5, price 800. While booking, please mention your size. All the kurtis are available in 40, 42 and 44 size. Another pure cotton one. This is 44, but it is available in 40 and 42 as well. The price is 850. This is also hand stitch. These also French knot and the material is pure cotton one. Material is pure cotton. See the sleeves. Here is the view and the price is 850. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier, but for kurtis, courier charges is applicable. Kurti number 7. This is also rayon cotton. This is also rayon cotton, maroon color with hand embroidery. Rayon cotton, price is 800. Kurti number 7. This one is also available in 40, 42 and 44 size. Price is 800. Next one, kurti number 8, another pure cotton material. This is hand embroidery. This is machine embroidery. Material is pure cotton, but the embroidery is machine embroidery, and the price is 650. Price is 650. Light cream color or light yellow color, you can say. Price 650. This one is also available in 40, 42 and 44. While booking, please mention your size number. Kurti number along with your size. For booking, please take a screenshot. Next one, kurti number 9. Same design with a different color. Light green, very sweet and soft color. Price 650. Price is 650. All the kurtis are available in 40, 42 and 44 size. Price is 650. Same design with different color combination. This is light peach color with same combination, but the material is pure cotton. All the material are pure cotton. Price 650. 650. If you take one kurti or two kurti, you have to pay the shipping charges. If you purchase two or more than two or 4 kurtis or whatever, if it is more than 2, then you don't have to pay the shipping charges or delivery charges. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. Kurti number 11, light blue color. This one is also 650. This one is also 650, pure cotton kurti. Pure cotton kurti. If you purchase 2 kurtis, you have to pay the delivery charges. If you purchase more than 2, you don't have to pay the delivery charges or courier charges. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking, and I will send you the product through courier. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. All the kurtis is available of 40, 42 and 44 size. See, this is a very smart one. Another denim blue. See the design. These all are machine embroidery, but the material is pure cotton and checks cotton. See, this one is checks cotton. This kurti is also available in 40, 42 and 44. The price is same 650. Kurti number 12, price is 650. I will show you another color on this design. This is brown color, light brown color, price is 650. Or you can say this is snuff color also. Price is 650. Kurti number 13. Kurti number 13, 650. For booking, please take a screenshot and mention your size number. All the kurtis are available in 40, 42 and 44. Next one, kurti number 14. Another peach color. Another peach color, it is kurti number 14, price is 780. Price is 780. The color is peach color, see the view. Price 780. All the kurtis, as I mentioned repeatedly, are available in 40, 42 and 44 size. For booking, please take a screenshot. Next one, kurti number 15. Price is again 780. Price is 780, kurti number 15. Please mention, I am requesting you to mention your chest size. Accordingly, I will send you the product. All the kurtis are available in 40, 42 and 44 size. Here is the view. Price is 780. This is kurti number 15. Please mention the kurti number, otherwise take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. Viewers, if you like the product, please share with your friends, relatives and press the bell icon and definitely subscribe my channel. This is another cotton kurti, kurti number 16. This is a 44 size, but this kurti is also available in 40 and 42. Here is the view. See the work. See, This is the work. Price is 750. This is 750. Another pure cotton material. These all are pure cotton material. Price 750. Next one, kurti number 17. Kurti number 17. This is also 750. See, this one is the work. Machine embroidery. Price is 750. Price is 750. Here is the view. Color is green color. Price 750. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. Next one, kurti number 18. Kurti number 18, pista color. This is pista color. Another embroidery. Price 780. Price is 780. 40, 42 and 44 sizes are available in all the kurtis. Price 780. Kurti number, this is kurti number 18. Kurti number 18. All are pure cotton material. Then kurti number 19. Just have a look. This one is kurti number 19. Price is 780. Kurti number 19. Price 780. This kurti is also available in 40, 42 and 44 size. Just have a look. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives, subscribe and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Now kurti number 20, navy blue color. Kurti number 20, navy blue color. Price 650. 650. These all are available in 40, 42 and 44 size. 40, 42 and 44 size, pure cotton material, and this kurti, color of this kurti is navy blue. Price is 650. Shipping charges is applicable for purchasing one or two kurtis. If you purchase more than two, you don't have to pay the shipping charges. Kurti number 21. This one is also 650. The color is grey color, pure cotton material. Pure cotton material. See the work. Here is the embroidery. Price is 650. Price is 650. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking, and I will send you the product through courier. Courier charges is applicable for one or two kurtis. If you purchase more than two, you don't have to pay the courier charges. Next one, kurti number 22. Kurti number 22. This is brown color, deep chocolate color with the work with orange and cream, and the price of this kurti is 750. All the kurtis are available in 40, 42 and 44 size. This is another kurti and the price of this kurti is 750. 750. Now I will show you some set, full set with South cotton material. This is the kurti, and see, this is the straight pant along with this. This is the set and the price is 900. This one is also available in 40, 42 and 44 size. 40, 42 and 44 size. Here is the view. This is the entire set and price is 900. Price is 900. This is 23, product number 23. Now product number 24, another color. Another color, the material is South cotton. See, this is the entire products full set and the price is 900. This one is also available in 40, 42 and 44 size. Price is 900. Material is South cotton, full set. The last one, number 25, it is also pure cotton material, anarkali style, and the price of this product is 700. Product is 700. This one is also available in 40, 42 and 44. This is pure cotton material, only printed cotton, and see the product. This is 700. This is for 700. Viewers, I have shown you 25 kurti. All are available in 40, 42 and 44 size. While booking, please mention your size number along with the product number or the screenshot. I will send you through courier. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. For purchasing 1 or 2 kurti, shipping charges is applicable. If you purchase more than 2, you don't have to pay the shipping charges or delivery charges. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. Thank you.